Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Green color, brown color, sky blue, red, purple, blue, pink and orange. Kids, in this video we will press capital letter A, B, C, D, E, A to Z. Let's stress A. A for apple. B. B for ball. Green color. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. J. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. Sky blue color. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for van. W. W for well. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids, read again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. W. X. Y. Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.